Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you pay US-based contractors on Gusto Payroll? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if Gusto is right for them. And to simply put, yes, you can pay US-based contractors using Gusto Payroll. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll get $100 given back to you once you run your first payroll. But with that, if we log on to Gusto, and then click on this tab here that says pay. We're going to click on pay contractors next. And then from here, you're going to see that you can pay US-based contractors and you can even pay contractors outside of the US. So if we click on pay US-based contractors, we can click on new payment. And then right here, we're just going to click on add a new contractor. And here's where you're going to enter the first name, last name, the worker type, the country, and their personal email. So after you've added all this information about this new team member, you'll be able to select them and then select the amount that you want to go ahead and pay them, and then review the information and then confirm the information. But Gusto Payroll makes it super easy to pay contractors, whether they're US based or non-US based. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and answer this question. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.